Hello and welcome everyone, and in today's video I'm going to show you here right now how you started to add a cleaning fee on booking.com. This is about to tell you here on something that is going to be very important to know about it on every single moment that is should be showing right now on our progress. That is the about to be very important moment that I started to show it for you without any doubt and without any problem from what we would like to do about it and how we started to underestimate it through the thing that should be generated through what we would like to do about it on our progress through what we would like to think about. So this is about to be here on the login on the extract, then click on the property and then policies, then additional fees and charges to click on edit, add another fee. Under type of fees, select the required type of the menu, but I think so that there is another method also to do it. We click on property and then policies. In the under the other policies section, scroll down and you will see additional fees and charge section. You click on edit, then you will click on another fee. Okay, and once you click on add another fee under the type of fee to select the required type of fee from the drop down menu, and then you will enter the amount of fee and then we will click on save.